Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Sage and Easy Month End. We want to see which of these accounting tool wins. Month end accounting can be a nightmare, but not with the right tool. In 2025, Sage and Easy Month End are battling it out. Which one saves you time, money and stress? Let's find out. This showdown is a game changer for businesses. When it comes to ease of use, Sage is powerful but complex. Therefore, it has a steep learning curve. When it comes to Easy Month End, it is super simple and designed for quick closes. When it comes to automation feature, Sage has strong reporting, but some manual work is needed. While Easy Month End is fully automated, yes, it has fully automated reconciliations and entries. When it comes to pricing, Sage higher cost actually, and it is enterprise level. While Easy Month End is more affordable for small businesses. When it comes to speed, Sage takes time to master and run, while Easy Month End is lightning fast month end closing. When it comes to integrations, Sage works with major ERPs and CRMs, while Easy Month End is best for QuickBooks and zero users. Lastly, let's look at what or who they are best for. Sage is best for large businesses needing depth, while Easy Month End is best for small and medium enterprises who want speed and simplicity. So in conclusion, Sage is like a Swiss Army knife, powerful but complicated. What about Easy Month End? Well, it's more like a magic wand. Just wave it around and your books are gone. Or in this case, they are done. So which one fits your business? For big businesses needing heavy-duty accounting, Sage does. For small and medium enterprises craving speed and simplicity, Easy Month End does. So which one are you using? Comment below and smash the like button for more software showdowns.